Done me a favor and you'll never know whereabouts I come from after I go. Oh, you've done me a favor from kindness low, but I will remember it after I go. Whoa, you owe me not a thing. Whoa, hear the bells of kindness ring. You showed to a stranger the love of a friend. Took a little time, a kind hand to lend. You put a smile upon a face at the end of the day. Done a kind thing, took you out of your way. Whoa, you owed me not a thing. Whoa, hear the bells of kindness ring. Not a thing. Whoa, hear the bells of kindness ring. I say in folks like you, compassion resides, lighting up the corners, keeping hope alive. You give me a reason when it's hard to believe that we're not in trouble as deep as it seems. Kindness ring. Whoa, you owe me nothing. Whoa, hear the bells of kindness. Bells of kindness ring. The world's full of people and they're all related to me. I've got several million relatives in every country. We are all descendants and extended family, all the plants and the animals and all humanity. I'm a brother to the birds and a cousin to the trees. I'm uncle to the oceans and the fishes in the seas. Since we're all related, I have got no enemies, from the greedy politicians to the sea anemones. Every piece of this world is a part of the whole. Everything that I see is connected to me. What I give you is a gift to me too. It's all one life all the way through. The air that I breathe was sold before my my birth, and my heart is made of minerals I borrowed from the earth. This body of mine's like a second-hand car. All the parts it is made of are dust from the stars. The food that I eat was recycled from food that's been around the world, could have been a part of you. Within what is in and what is outside my skin, there's no place where I just stand in outer space just begins. Every piece of this world is a part of the whole. Everything that I see is connected to me. What I give you is a gift to me too. It's all one life all the way through. Some parts of physics talk of non-locality, and mystical religions talk of universality. Some people will tell you that it's non-duality, and whatever it is you see, it's not reality. But even if you're stuck in the mindset of matter, the fact you got a mind means that even minds matter. You'd be hard pressed to find that mind inside matter. This material decides on a meaning making mind. By mind I mean that awareness that you're being, that's awake when you're looking and that's looking when you're seeing. The dreamer who's dreaming and the one who's scheming about how to find the one that makes anything have meaning. But it's all a bit of a joke, because the farther that you poke in the armpit of the universe with a big telescope, a silly your mind or with a particle exploder, the more what you find is your own body odor. Every piece of this world is a part of the whole. Everything that I see is connected to me. What I give you is a gift to me too. It's all one life all the way through. Every cell in this body is its own organism. It can have its own beliefs or even cellular religion. But from way out here with the whole body vision, I can see that each cell is a part of the mission. What if I'm a cell in something much bigger, like a tiny little nerve in a really big finger? It's a matter of awareness and a matter of scale. Each whole is a part, each part is a whole. If I was a whale, would I really be aware of a tiny little hair growing out of my tail? If I was the hair, would I know that the tail was only really there as a part of the whale? If I can start to see what is bigger than me, that I am part of life and life is part of me, then all that I see I can look on gratefully, and I can do my part and live in harmony. Every piece of this world is a part of the whole. Everything that I see is connected to me. What I give you is a gift to me too. It's all one life all the way through. I've been rattling around, trying to figure out how this world's put together. Why do people do what they do? What makes them the same and so different from each other? Seems our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what we see. Yes, our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what we be. So many ways to be and what to see will be different from one to another. So choose how to be carefully, straighten up your spine, my dear fine brother. 'Cause our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what we see. Yes, our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what will be. What I know changes when and where I go, and be where I look changes what is shown to me and what I see. What books my mama read to me, the movies that I like to see, change how I view the world that is around me. And our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what we see. Yes, our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what will be. It's so easy to ignore the simple little chore of figuring out what are we living for, or to stop looking up, asking ourselves what are we aiming for. But our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what we see. Yes, our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what will be. Yes, our thoughts and our dreams and our schemes is what we see. Yes, our thoughts and our dreams. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Mama with a halo of precious hair. Mama, this earth that we all share. Mama, your beauty is beyond compare. Everything we need is found right here. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Providing for life on every scale, from the microbe to the great whale. Oh, mama, abundant and alive, may we live rightly so that all may thrive. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Mama, 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 mama earth. Mama, 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 mama earth. Oh, mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Thank you, oh mama, for all that you are. You carry us around our star. Your intricate balance and ecology are the fundamentals of cosmology. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth. Oh, mama, hey, mama, mama. Oh, mama, blessed mama earth.